Finland is massively hiring overseas healthcare workers. If you are a nurse, caregiver, or social worker, this video is for you. Ensure you watch till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, thank you so much for spending your time with us. And for our regular viewers, we truly appreciate you coming back to watch us once again. Adigo Travel Solution is here with a mission, very simple and impactful. We believe everyone anywhere in the world should have the opportunity to move abroad. To make that possible, we offer a variety of services to support your journey. From job placement services with a strong network of companies and recruiters to handling job applications, permanent residency applications, business migration, and more. We have got all your relocation needs covered. Do well to check the description box below for more information on how we can help you make your abroad dreams come true. Let's get started. Today, we are going to be focusing on an incredible opportunity for overseas healthcare workers who are interested in relocating to Finland. We will guide you through the steps to move to Finland, including how the Finnish government is actively recruiting healthcare professionals, the Talent Boost program, and the requirements you need to get this job. Plus, we will show you how Adigo Travel Solution can assist in making the entire process quicker and smoother for you. Let's start by looking at why Finland is in urgent need of healthcare workers. Number 1. Finland is facing a significant shortage of healthcare workers, and this issue is getting worse. Number 2. Finland has one of the oldest populations in Europe, with more and more people living longer, which creates a greater need for healthcare workers who can provide care to the elderly. Number 4. Many of the healthcare workers currently in Finland are nearing retirement, and they don't have enough younger workers to replace them. Number 5. In fact, estimates show that Finland will need thousands of healthcare workers in the next few years to keep up with this demand. This means there is a massive opportunity for overseas healthcare workers to make a difference and start a rewarding career in Finland. Let's break down some key aspects of the Talent Boost program. Number 1. Fast-track residence permit. If you qualify for this program, the Finnish government is going to offer a fast-track process for obtaining a work-based residence permit within just 1 to 3 months. That's an amazing offer. Within just a few months, you could be living and working in Finland. This is a fantastic opportunity to start your new career abroad. Number 2. Path to permanent residency. After spending some time in Finland, there are pathways to apply for permanent residency. This means that you could make Finland your long-time home. For many, this is the opportunity of a lifetime to build a future in one of the happiest and most stable countries in the world. The Talent Boost program isn't just about moving to Finland. It's all about making a real impact on the healthcare system and being part of a country's growth. So, Finland needs you, and with this program, they are making it easier than ever for qualified healthcare workers to fill those gaps. You may be asking, how do I apply for the Talent Boost program and what are the requirements? The requirement is for you to be a nurse, caregiver, or a social worker, and you should have at least 2 years of working experience. So, to apply for the program, we will guide you every step of the application process. From securing a job offer to preparing your documents and ensuring they are recognized by Finnish authorities, we will take care of the hard work for you. So, if you are a healthcare worker and you are looking for an exciting career opportunity in one of the happiest countries in the world, now is the perfect time to act. With the Talent Boost program and the Adigo Travel Solution by your side, you can make the move to Finland faster and with ease. Visit our website today to learn more about how we can assist you in applying for jobs abroad and navigating the immigration process. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.